Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can update your Google Chrome on your PC. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Google Chrome. So after opening your Google Chrome, now you have to click on the three dot bar that you can see on the top right here. So after you have clicked on this bar, now scroll down and on the third end here you can see this option of help. When you hover your mouse around in here, you can see this pop up, and in here you can click on the about Google Chrome option right here. After clicking on it, here you can see this will take us to the settings of Google, and here you can see the updating process has begun. It is already on 66%, and like this your Google Chrome will now start updating. And just like this, here you can see your download process of your Google Chrome update has been completed, and all you have to do is click on this relaunch in order to relaunch your Google Chrome and update it completely. And here you can see your Google Chrome is being relaunched, and like this your Chrome is up to date. And that is it. That is how you can update your Google Chrome on your PC. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.